If you're new to importation, you want to start importing goods from China, or you're already into it, yeah, here are 5 mistakes, costly mistakes you should not make when it comes to importation from China. If you don't want to lose your money, here are 5 mistakes you should avoid. Number 1, avoid buying directly from suppliers or agents you see on TikTok. Hey, you see this particular one? Every now and then, if you go on TikTok, you will see people, Nigerians, Ghana, Cameroons, crying that they got scammed. They bought A and rags were shipped to them. They bought this and the supplier ends up shipping rubbish. Do not buy from agents or suppliers you meet on TikTok. Don't pay directly to them. See, a word is enough for the wise. Just this afternoon, I went on TikTok and I saw a particular lady, crying that she bought some denim pants, some denim trousers, denim skirts from a supplier on TikTok. I mean, she even posted the video the supplier sent to her. And at the end of the day, after waiting 2 whole months, because she made use of sea shipping, after waiting 2 whole months, she paid money, went to the warehouse, cleared her goods, only to get home, open the goods, it was rag. Oh my goodness. She was already crying. She was like, people help me. I invested my own money. Please don't make that mistake. Don't buy from the suppliers you see on TikTok. How are you verifying them? How? Yes, some of them might even do video call with you. They might go to the real store or the real warehouse where they sell those real things you want to buy. They will make video calls with you and show it to you. At the end of the day, when you're done paying, they will do what they want to do, because they know that it will be so difficult for you to send it back or even to track them or even to do anything. They know you are helpless. They will send what they want to send. It is just a few that gets it, and when they buy from this supplier they see on TikTok, just a few. So please don't do it if you're just starting out. I know it seems easy because there is no agent, there is no procurement agent, you don't need Alipay, you don't need blah. Don't do it. Don't do it. Go through the right channel. If you have the money to travel, do your visa and travel, fine. But if you're just starting out, go through the right channel. Okay? The second mistake you should avoid when it comes to buying stuff from China is this. Do not pay suppliers outside of the 1688 or the Pindodo platform. Those of you that are buying stuff from 1688 and you don't have a verified Alipay account, that is to say your Alipay account has not been verified with an international passport, and so you cannot use it to pay your suppliers directly, and because you want to bypass procurement agent, you don't want to make it a procurement agent, you go ahead and pay your suppliers outside of 1688. Some of you are doing it. You understand what I'm saying? That is very risky. That is very risky. You can lose that money. I've seen a whole lot of people coming to my DM. Only I paid to this supplier, he did not ship out. There is nothing we can do at the end of the day. Your money is gone. In as much as you did not pay the supplier directly on 1688, there is no proof. There is nothing that can be done about it. That money, it don't work. It don't go. Avoid paying those people outside of the 1688 platform. Instead, you see that 5% that your procurement agent is charging you, pay that procurement agent, so that at the end of the day you know that the procurement agent will be held responsible if anything happens. Of course, the procurement agent will not want to jeopardize anything. They will make sure they follow up, get your goods, or they get your money should in case the supplier doesn't deliver your item. Do you understand? Mistake number 3 you need to avoid: do not buy from suppliers on 1688 that don't have reviews. I know this one is difficult for some of you, but guys, at this present time that we are in, do not buy from suppliers on 1688 that do not have reviews. See, do your research very well. Search for your suppliers, source for your suppliers. You will see suppliers with reviews. At least see, even though it is one review, even though they don't have review on that particular product you want to buy, go check out the general review of their store. Go check out the general review. These suppliers, they don't just sell 1-2 items, they sell different items. So if you want to buy this design of handbag and this design of handbag doesn't have review, maybe it's a new product they just posted and there is no review on it yet, no wala, check the general store review. You would see review on other bags they have in store. From the reviews you get from that other bags they have in store, you'll be able to tell if this will be quality or not. Am I making sense? Do you understand what I'm saying? If you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I can do a practical video and show you, but I think you should understand. If you want to buy from a particular supplier, make sure there is review on that product. If there is no review on that product, no wala. Check the general store review of the store. Check other product that supplier has. Check the reviews under those products. Now with those reviews under those products, you should be able to tell if the supplier sells good quality items or not. Are we communicating? Mistake number 4 that you need to avoid, my people, at all costs, especially newbies: don't buy all these mixed up items from 1688 suppliers directly. If you know that your agent cannot open that item for you and verify it, don't buy those mixed up items. Mixed up bags, mixed up clothing, mixed up shoes, you know, those mixed up things. Do not buy them if you don't have somebody there in China that will open it and verify it. Let me take myself for example. My shipping agents, they help me verify goods. If I'm buying a particular item from a supplier for the very first time, my shipping company, I usually tell them to help me open the item and check it, send me pictures, send me videos, what's inside. I usually teach my students that, and in fact recently one of my students bought mixed stock bags from China. Fortunately for her, she makes use of the shipping company that I make use of, so she asked the shipping company to open the mixed designs of bags she bought, and lo and behold, immediately they opened it, something different from what the supplier posted on his page, something extremely different. I mean, she said no, she's not going to take this, and there and then she applied for the item to be returned back to the supplier. It was because it has not been shipped out of China, so it's easier for it to be returned back, and she got her money in full. So if you're just starting out and you know that you don't have anybody that will do this supervision for you, your shipping company, they don't offer this service, please don't buy all those mixed stuff. They can just mix rubbish, mix racks and ship down to you. Avoid all those mixed clothing, mixed bag, mixed shoe. Do you know what they usually use to get you guys? The prices are usually cheap. The prices are usually cheap. What if those items are expired goods? I mean, you know, shoes do expire, bags do expire. What if those bags are already peeling off, and they just pack everything and ship to you? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Avoid those type of products. Avoid them. Mistake number 5 that you must avoid at all costs, my people: don't go into importation from China blindly. Don't go into importation from China blindly. Don't close your eye and do importation from China. Don't say, oh, I can do it all by myself. Let me do it. Let me try it. You're gambling with your money. Learn it. Yes, there are videos here on YouTube that will teach you step by step. Learn it. If you can pay somebody to teach you, do it. It is so important. Why? Because that person will explain more to you, the do's and the don'ts. For myself, for my students, I usually help them to even source for suppliers. I teach importation. If you want just the course, I just send you video of the course. It's just 15k. But if you want like an in-depth one-on-one section online, you have videos, I call you, you know, those kind of things. If you want something more in-depth, I charge you 50k for it. So learn it. You mustn't learn from Oni. You mustn't learn from me. That's one thing I usually tell you. If you have somebody that is doing it for you or that can do it for you, please learn. That person will tell you, okay, if you don't have a verified Alipay account, this is what you can do to buy on 1688. The person can even decide to use his or Alipay to do the procurement for you. I do procurement for most of my students, not for free. Other people charge 7-10%. I charge my students 4% for procurement. I do procurement so that however it goes, I can help you guys. Learn it. Don't go into it blindly. If you want Onyi to teach you, you want to learn from Onyi, my WhatsApp contact is on the screen and also down in the description. You can contact me on WhatsApp. If you want just the course, it is 15k. If you want mentoring, contact of some suppliers that we have vet, we have verified. You want that in-depth teaching, we charge you 50k for it. So please, my people, don't lose your money. Avoid these mistakes I have, explained in this video. People are losing their money. I go on TikTok, I see lots of it hurts me a lot because please don't lose your money because you want to import stuff from China. Don't. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye.